Smart home devices are a great way to add personality, automation, and convenience to your daily life, family communications, and home essentials. From smart thermostats that can control the temperature with Alexa and Google Assistant, to smart speakers and displays that allow you to manage your schedule, pull up recipes, and hear the news headlines of the day, there's a smart device out there for everyone. Welcome to another episode of Tech Perpetual. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest uploads. Let's get into today's video. Smart lock. When your home has a smart lock, there's no need to worry about fumbling for your keys when it's dark or having to leave a key under the mat for a pet sitter. Today's options install in minutes and offer convenience and peace of mind. We're big fans of the 𝐸𝐨𝐺 Smart Lock, 4th generation, for a number of reasons. The plug-and-play assembly allows you to slip the 𝐸𝐺𝐵 lock directly onto your existing deadbolt, meaning you won't have to pull apart any of your existing door locks hardware. You can also use the 𝐸𝐺𝐵 app to assign temporary unlock codes to friends and family that are checking on your pets while you're vacationing. We also like the Door Sense feature, which allows you to see if your door is open, closed, locked, or unlocked through the Activity Feed tab in the 𝐸𝐺𝐵 app. Similar to the 𝐸𝐺𝐵 Smart Lock, the 𝐻𝐸𝐤𝐵 lock also retrofits over your existing deadbolt and can be configured to detect your phone when you're in range, automatically locking or unlocking your door when you're approaching. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assist, you can even use voice commands to control the lock from indoors or with the Alexa or Google Home app. Voice Assistant. The first thing you'll want to get is a virtual assistant to help control your smart devices with just your voice. You can opt for a smart speaker, which only has audio, or you can go with a smart display, which has a touchscreen that lets you visually interact with your assistant as well. The Amazon Echo is Amazon's smart speaker that features Alexa, Amazon's virtual assistant. The Echo 4th generation has excellent sound quality, so you can clearly hear your playlist from music streaming services like Amazon Music, Apple Music, or iHeartRadio. The redesigned Echo 4 retails for $100, and it comes in charcoal, twilight blue, and glacier white. Amazon's latest smart speaker also functions as a Zigbee hub, allowing you to control other Zigbee-specific smart home gear, such as lights, locks, and cameras. If you want a more affordable Echo speaker, the Echo Dot with clock retails for only $60 and does almost everything the Echo does, except its speakers aren't quite as powerful and it doesn't have a Zigbee hub. The Dot with clock has an LED display on the front face that can show you the time,